Imagine if any of your drawings could spring to life. With animated drawing, that's exactly what you can do. Animate any character you sketch in just a few simple steps. Ready to see your creations come alive? Let's dive in. First, let's upload your drawing. Click the Upload button and choose the image of the character you want to animate. Use the selection tool to outline the character you want to bring to life. This is where your creativity starts to shine. Next, carefully erase any unwanted areas to ensure your character stands out. This step is crucial for a clean, crisp animation. Here comes the fun part. We will identify the joints of your character. You will see markers indicating where the joints should be placed. It's like putting together a digital puppet. With the joints in place, it's time to add some movement. Within moments, the tool generates a basic animation for your character. But it doesn't stop there. You can select from a variety of animations. Try out different animations to see which one brings the most personality to your character. From dancing to jumping, the possibilities are endless. Watch your creation come to life with just a few clicks. Finally, share your animated character with the world. Just hit the share button, and your lively creation is ready to wow your friends and family. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you have turned a simple drawing into a vibrant, animated character. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.